Our first tool is something special for plumbers. This tool may not seem like much at first glance, but the Wolfcraft 3754 is a hidden gem for anyone needing to cut perfect holes in kitchen sinks or other stainless steel surfaces. It cuts perfectly straight and clean holes up to 35 mm in diameter, working on materials like sheet steel and stainless steel up to 1 mm thick. The tool operates using an SW17 wrench, which gives you full control over the cutting process, resulting in professional-level precision. This is a German-engineered tool that you can trust for consistent performance, and it's available for just $16.50. It's a small price for such an invaluable tool in your plumbing toolkit. Our next tool is perfect for craft enthusiasts. Meet the Sis Light Cutter, an incredibly versatile and powerful tool for anyone who loves to sew or work with heavy-duty materials. This cutter easily handles tough materials like denim, leather, and even vinyl. The fact that it's cordless makes it extremely convenient, allowing you to work freely without being tethered by cords. Plus, it's compact and designed for one-handed operation, which means you can easily maneuver it for precision cuts. With 5 speeds ranging from 800 to 1400 RPM, you have full control based on the material's thickness. It can cut through material as thick as 2.5 centimeters. The built-in LED light ensures that even if you're working in dim lighting, you'll get the job done accurately. At a price of $245, this tool is a solid investment for anyone serious about their craft. If you've ever had to pull cables through tight spaces, you know how frustrating it can be. That's where the Greenlake G1 Versy Tuer cable puller comes in. This cordless tool is designed to make cable pulling 68% faster than doing it manually. What makes it special? First, it has a universal head that fits pipe diameters ranging from 12.7 to 100 millimeters. This makes it incredibly versatile, no matter the job. It also features 5 adjustable positions for optimal performance. The roller handles cables up to 22 millimeters in diameter, and it boasts a pulling force of 554 kilograms. Powered by an 18 or 20-volt battery, it's compatible with most standard power drills. While its price of $964 might seem like a big investment, the time and effort you'll save makes it well worth it. For those who frequently work with plastic pipes, bending them into the right shape can be a challenge. Enter the Greenlake PVC Blanket, a revolutionary tool that combines a blanket and a heater to make pipe bending a breeze. Available in several sizes, this blanket is designed to handle pipe diameters from 12.7 to 100 millimeters, and it can bend them at angles from 30 to 90 degrees. What's more, it ensures a heating temperature of over 149 degrees Celsius, which guarantees a smooth, secure bend. The built-in Velcro and stiffness help maintain the correct shape, making the job both quick and efficient. Priced at $800, this tool is an absolute must-have for anyone regularly working with PVC pipes. Next up, we have the Sis Light Cal C, a cordless working light that's perfect for tight, confined spaces. What makes this light stand out is its ability to produce a stunning 12,200 lumens of brightness, paired with a 5,000 Kelvin color temperature that replicates natural daylight. Its head swivels 180 degrees, which makes it incredibly versatile for any workspace. Need to hang it? No problem. The included hook or tripod options ensure you can position it exactly where you need it. It also comes with shockproof, dustproof, and splashproof housing, making it rugged enough for even the toughest job sites. Best of all, it works with Festool batteries, except for the AO pack. All this comes at a price of just $109, making it a must-have for anyone working in low-light conditions. Cutting pipes can be messy and difficult without the right tool. That's why the Ean Stock ERC 350 is such a valuable addition to any professional's toolkit. This tool is designed to cut pipes ranging from 8 to 35 centimeters in diameter, making it versatile enough for a wide range of applications. One of the key features of the ERC 350 is its vacuum cleaner connection, which helps to keep your workspace clean and free from debris while you work. Weighing in at only 15 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to handle, but it doesn't sacrifice durability or stability thanks to its retractable roller carriage. Priced at $1,547, this is a serious tool for serious jobs, but for professionals, the investment will quickly pay off in efficiency and precision. If you're in the market for a versatile welding machine, the Femal MIG 250 Pro should be at the top of your list. This machine covers MIG, MMA, and TIG welding functions, making it ideal for everything from semi-automatic welding to argon arc welding with a non-consumable electrode. One of the standout features is its automatic settings. Just select the gas and wire diameter, and the machine sets the current and feed speed for you, making it perfect for beginners. However, advanced welders can easily adjust these settings manually, with everything displayed on a built-in screen. It also works on aluminum and can run on both 110 and 220 volts, offering you flexibility depending on your power source.
And the best part?
It's priced at just $250, making it a fantastic deal for all the features it offers. Now let's talk about cable testing. The Klein Tools VDV 5820 kit is perfect for testing the integrity of Ethernet cables, working with RJ45, RJ11, and RJ12 connectors. Whether you're a network technician or just need to troubleshoot your home setup, this kit has you covered. It even includes a tone generator and tracing probe for precise cable tracing, with a range of up to 305 meters. Plus, the 3.5mm headphone jack allows you to assess cables in noisy environments with ease. This is a simple yet invaluable tool, and at $71, it's a must-have for any professional working W. Finally, we have the Nibble, a metal cutting tool that eliminates many of the challenges associated with cutting metal. Attach it to a drill with at least 500 watts of power, and it'll easily handle stainless steel, corrugated iron, brass, and more.
The best part?
It cuts metal without producing sparks, burrs, or dangerous sharp edges. It's also versatile enough to work on softer materials like denim and leather, making it a valuable tool for both industrial and DIY use. All of this for just $166, a great deal for anyone who needs to cut various materials quickly and safely. That's all for today's episode of TechWave Reviews. We've covered an exciting array of tools, from high-powered cable pullers to versatile welding machines. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest gadgets and tools. Let us know in the comments which tool caught your eye, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching TechWave Reviews.